All right, welcome back. So today we're going to look at lists again. But what we're going to do is we're going to create a list, just kind of populate it with a few things, and then what we're going to do is pull specific pieces out of that list and then print them. Okay, so let's say that I have a list and we're going to use, let's do colors. Okay, and we have our starting our list, and let's just go ahead and put a bunch of colors in here. Oops, can't do this. And we'll kind of keep this nice and short. Let's do blue and blue, green, red, green, blue. Let's do yellow. Let's do one more. We'll do purple. Keep forgetting that they're text. Okay, so these are in our list, and we can check that here. We'll just print our list. Actually, let's just go ahead and create a variable here first. So we have our colors. We're going to create a variable, and we're going to say that that is going to take on, oops. So here's our list. Now, the way you reference a specific point in that list is by telling it one number. So let's say I want to do red, and I want it to print this off, and I'm going to go ahead and then print N, or C, sorry. Okay, so we're going to print this off. Now, the point of this is actually talk about how a list works. So this is the first location, second location, third location, fourth location, fifth location. At least that's how we see it. However, the computer and the programming language does not see it that way. It doesn't actually see that as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It actually sees this as 0. It has to do with how the computer takes information in. This is the 0 location, or the first location. This is then the first location. So for example, if I was going to do red, I would type in 0 here, run the code, and it's going to print red. Okay, if I wanted to do green, let's do blue, I would say that that's the third location, or the second index location. Okay, so index location 2, which means 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's how these are assigned. So if I want to do blue, I got to do 0, 1, and 2. So I'm going to pick 2 there, and there's blue. Okay. All right. Hopefully this helps you. And let's do one more here. Let's do the last one, or let's do yellow. Do 3. So 0, 1, 2, and 3. Run that. And there you go, it's yellow. So this is how those index locations work. Just remember that this is the 0 location. All right, hopefully this helps you. Good luck on your coding.